These 15 unbelievable animal encounters will completely shock you and leave you speechless. Number 15. This crazy encounter with a humongous grizzly bear will absolutely give you the chills. This bear sits down with this man and you can hear the tension he is feeling. Unfortunately for the man, the bear gets a little too curious and gets super close to him. Number 14. This scuba diver in Fiji encountered an aggressive great white shark during his dive. This huge monster even tries to bite his head off. Number 13. This man is seen in this clip climbing a tree when this rhino tries to take him out. This is absolutely terrifying and I can't even imagine what this man must have been feeling. Number 12. This woman in this video is extra friendly towards this pack of wolves like they are your ordinary domestic dog. Do you think it is a great idea to be super friendly to these wild animals? This video starts off by the woman calling out for the wolves, and after that, they start to run towards her. They then begin jumping on the woman as if she is a part of their pack. I would have definitely peed my pants as wolves can turn from playful to hungry real fast. Thankfully the wolves leave on their own and everyone comes out of this situation unharmed. Number 11. In this video, this Florida man found a gator strolling through his driveway. And he makes the decision to take matters into his own hands, and catch the gator himself. Number 10. In this video, it shows an orangutan monkey driving a golf cart. This is definitely a video you need to show to your friends and family. Number 9. In this clip, this group of people found a dog that was in a desperate need of help when he was stuck in a ravine. Thankfully, this group of people were very honest and helped to save the dog's life. Number 8. In this horrifying video, it shows a family inside of a car admiring a black bear in the distance.
God, the bear's It's right next to us.
After a while, a huge bear shows up in the video and gives the family a scare of a lifetime.
Oh my goodness!
Number 7. This woman and her ferryman are canoeing down a river when they cross upon the biggest alligator I have ever seen. Not only do they get up and personal with the alligator, the woman is stunned by the interaction between them. In the beginning, it looked like any other ordinary day, but then the woman spots the big gator in the distance. She also notices this alligator is approaching them at a very fast speed. And then, things take a turn for the worst. Once the beast reaches their canoe, it gets distracted for a quick second. And then it shifts its focus right back on the woman and the man. After the gator retrieves back, it sets its eyes on a snack. This man escapes death as he soon realized the dangers of feeding this beast with his bare hands.
Yeah. Ooh.
After finishing all the meat in the bucket for the alligator, he says goodbye to his new friend and both parties go their separate ways. Number 6. In this unbelievable clip, a crab fights back a human and refuses to go down without a fight. This is actually scary and I wouldn't want to mess with that crab. Number 5. During a scuba dive in the waters of Guadalupe, the scuba diver notices a great white shark approaching and doesn't think much of it. But a few moments later, he witnessed something heart-wrenching. The shark takes a chunk out of the cage and then swirls around for more. Thankfully, the cage protects the diver. The shark and his friends do not hurt any humans. Luckily, only the cage ends up taking the beating. Number 4. In this unusual video, it shows a black bear breaking into a house and rummaging through this family's home. This reminds me of a story from my childhood. Thank goodness no one was awake during this bear scavenge or that anyone came to the kitchen in the middle of the night. Because otherwise, there would have been a dangerous encounter with a sleepy human and a hungry bear. Number 3. This video happened in British Columbia when a family was observing the wild seal in the water. It seems like everything is fine until the little girl gets a little too close and the unthinkable happens.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Number 2.
It looks like a scene straight out of Steven Spielberg's thriller Jaws. But for marine biologist Ocean Ramsey, this rare sighting of a great white tells the real story of the ocean's fiercest predator.
In this video, it shows a 50-year-old great white shark that is huge compared to other great white sharks. This scientist believes this shark is so big that it can even be pregnant. She also wanted to share how Hollywood and people across the world give a bad rap for great white sharks. But even though she says great white sharks are not that scary, I will definitely still not want to see one of those while I am swimming at the beach.
Melting, overjoyed to be approached by this big, beautiful, massive, I think, grandma shark. I mean, she's definitely old to be that large. And it fills my heart with joy and takes my breath away. And it kind of breaks my heart at the same time, to be honest with you, because I just realized that moments like this are increasingly rare because shark populations are being wiped out for shark fin soup and shark finning.
Number 1. In this unbelievable clip, it shows a mother bear trying her best to get her cubs safely across the busy road.
Go, babies! Aww, she got them all across, finally.
Thanks for watching. Here's another video you may like.